Good morning. We're still in North Carolina. I came down here to stay with my cousin on the way home. Didn't want to go quite that far in one trip after the, series of unfortunate events that we had in the Tesla yesterday. I was a little overtired. Didn't want to chance it. But while I was down here, I checked out Facebook Marketplace. I found a replacement hood to get this trim piece fixed. So we're gonna go down to about 2 hours out of the way and get a new hood, get a set of the factory front and rear bumpers as well. It's gonna put me about 2 hours out of the way, so it's about 7 hours from home total. So let's get a move on. So I just made it down to get the hood. I didn't have time with the rain coming in to really film any of it. But I've got a hood, I've got the trim piece that I need on the hood, and I've got the factory front and back bumpers. And then I've also got the stock airbox. Well, I made it inside right in time. Thank you. Not too wet, we made it. On we go. How can you worry about rain when you got 3 windshield wipers? Hello, CRX. I think you're kind of cool. Okay, I take back what I said. He's got a tow hook on his car. Awesome cab over. Haven't seen one of these in forever, especially not one running and driving. Woo! He's got purple lights too. Check him out. Got a few more miles to go and we are cruising on E. What do you think? Are we gonna make it? All right, we're going to exit 189 and here is 190. 1 mile. We got 2 miles to go. If we can get through all this traffic, we are gonna make it. We're like on E. I cannot believe we actually made it. Currently in Wilkesboro, I'm almost home. I realized my tail light had gone out, both my brake and my running light. So I've got that fixed. Took me about an hour. Now I'm calling my buddy.
Hey, what's up, man?
Yo, what's up, Dave? You doing all right, man?
Yeah, man, I'm doing great. Me and Shannon and Leo we're just now crossing out. We're going to the house.
I'm on my way into Boone. I thought I'd come hang out.
No, man, come by. It'd be great.
All right, man. Sounds good.
How you been, man?
Give me something, brother. Come here. Come here.
What do we think, Dave?
I don't know.
Leo, what do we think it is?
Shotgun. No, I'm just kidding. Is it vehicle? Is it vehicle? Like,
Is it
it's
vehicle?
a fucking vehicle.
Yeah, no, man. I rode here on a pony.
It's this sick Jeep right here, the silver one.
No, this thing's a piece of shit.
Wait, whose is this?
This is Alex's mine.
Oh, word.
It's an FJ? It's a fucking FJ.
What the hell? That's snorkel.
It is.
Hey, yo, someone's trying to lie in the front right here.
It's got potential.
Yeah, turn these bad boys on.
Well, we've certainly made it back in the mountains. I like driving up here way more than anywhere else, though. Way more fun. Ooh, hell. Unpaved. This is gonna be fun. Oh! That didn't last long, but it was fun. Check out the view. This is why mountains are the best. Absolutely beautiful. Well, friends, we made it home. A one-day trip that turned into 3, but here we are at the shop. So we've got the hood, factory intake, front and back bumpers, and so on. Time to get all this unloaded.